settles, all the sediment settles to the bottom. Then we're going to boil it down until it's dry. We're going to let the rest of it just evaporate. Let salt crystals, right? And then we'll let salt.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah?
Making our own sea salt, as you can see here.
Salty.
Come into the kitchen with me and I'll show you how.
There you go.
Sorry. Right, so this is the salt water that we collected from sea salt. Do you want to come and have a look?
What's in there, Xanthi?
So as you can see, the sediment's all gone down to the bottom because we've left it to rest for a queue. And I'm just going to take some out carefully without disturbing the sediment. High heat, boil that. It's very... So that brine has been in the oven at about 100 degrees C for a good few hours until it's kind of almost crystallised. It's still a bit wet, but we're going to then now transfer it at this stage so somewhere it can crystallise properly. I'm just going to scrape it.
Get out.